Ibn Battuta writes in his travelogue that a caravan of 30 Muslims was traveling to Lanka. The commander of this caravan was Janabi Sheikh Abdullah. This convoy was passing through a forest. The caravan got lost in the forest, could not find a way out of the forest. For many days they kept on beating each other from here and there. They ran out of food and drink. He became restless due to hunger. One day they saw a baby elephant. Everyone surrounded him. Sheikh Abdullah Sahib, the emir of the caravan, asked, "Why did you catch this child?" Everyone said that we are very worried because of hunger. Will you slaughter him and eat his meat? But it is not permissible for you to eat elephant meat, and you are not even hungry enough to risk your life. I said accept. Leave him and his. Do not eat meat. Trust in Allah. He will make it happen. Sheikh explained in this way, but no one believed. They slaughtered the child and cooked its meat and ate it. People also asked Sheikh for food. Sheikh refused to eat, and when night came, he was a hungry pig, but the stomach was empty. He could not sleep much due to hunger. Then they didn't sleep. They were lying in bed. His companions were fast asleep. Their stomachs, it was full. That's why, around midnight, Sheikh felt something as if the ground was shaking. He looked around, saw that many elephants surrounded the caravan. Some elephants smell sleepers' mouths with their trunks, and then this. But they suppress them by kicking them, and in this way, they are eliminating the caravans. Seeing this, Sheikh was very worried. He started praying to Allah. Many people in the caravan were awakened by the arrival of the elephants. He wanted to run, but the elephants did not let him run. In the same period, an elephant came to Sheikh Sahib. He raised his trunk and sniffed their mouth. After sniffing, sondstly and went back. When he came back after a while, there was another big elephant with him. This big elephant also smelled his face and removed his trunk. In such a long time, other elephants had trampled and killed the caravans. Now everyone came and stood near this big elephant. The big elephant, after some time, he took the sheikh by the trunk and made him sit on his back. Then went to one side. All the elephants followed him. In the morning, the big elephant brought Sheikh Sahib outside the forest and took him off his back and went back to the forest. Other elephants also went with him. Sheikh Sahib went from there to the city and narrated this incident to everyone there. After narrating the incident, he said, "The orders of Shariat are for our own good, which according to them own. Whoever lives his life according to them, be successful in this world as well. And then when he appears before Allah on the day of judgment, Allah will be pleased with him. He will be happy and give heaven in which he will live forever." People listened to Sheikh. Spoke, "You said very right." After that, he kept the sheikh here with great respect and learned the Sharia rulings from him.